Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI MATEPAD 10.4 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So let's just first open the notification panel, and after that we can we can see here all the available icons, which for example, if you want to add here more icons or to remove one from this or a couple of these icons, or just to change their positions, we should click here on this edit icon and click to edit swatches. After that, we can see here this down section with icons with the hidden icons here. If you wanna add some of them, for example this scan, hold it and drag it here to this up section. By the same way, we can edit, for example, the timer, so you can edit here if you want. Then just tap to done to save the changes. Just to remove some icons from here, just by the same way, hold it and drag it by this way. And to change the positions of the icons, just hold and drag. So that's so simple, as you can see. And just to save the changes, click to done, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.